Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of lily flower care, specifically tackling those pesky pests and diseases that can threaten your beautiful blooms. Let's get started. Lilies are stunning additions to any garden, but they can be susceptible to a few common problems. Let's break down some of the most frequent offenders. The lily beetle. First up, the dreaded lily beetle. These guys are voracious eaters, stripping your plants bare in no time. The best defense is a good offense. Handpick these beetles and their larvae whenever you spot them. You can also try insecticidal soap or neem oil sprays, but always follow the instructions carefully. Aphids. Next, we have aphids. These tiny sapsuckers weaken your plants and can transmit diseases. Insecticidal soap is usually effective against aphids. You can also encourage natural predators like ladybugs to help control the population. Thrips. Thrips are another common pest. They feed on plant sap, leaving behind silvery or bronzed streaks on the leaves. Insecticidal soap can help, and sticky traps can be effective in capturing these tiny invaders. Botrytis blight, gray mold. Now let's talk about diseases. Botrytis blight is a fungal disease that thrives in humid conditions. To prevent this, ensure good air circulation around your plants. Avoid overhead watering and water early in the day so the foliage can dry quickly. Fungicides can also be used as a last resort. Fusarium bulb rot. Fusarium bulb rot is a soil-borne disease that can rot your bulbs from the inside. Prevention is key here. Use disease-free bulbs and practice good garden hygiene. Avoid overwatering and ensure proper drainage. Viral diseases. Viral diseases, like lily mosaic virus, can cause discoloration and distorted growth. Unfortunately, there's no cure for viral diseases. The best approach is prevention. Purchase virus-free bulbs from reputable sources. Cultural practices. Now let's talk about some important cultural practices to keep your lilies healthy. Proper planting depth and spacing are crucial for good air circulation and disease prevention. Always remove and destroy infected plant debris to prevent the spread of diseases. Resistant varieties. Some lily varieties are naturally more resistant to certain pests and diseases. Consider planting these for a more robust and resilient garden. Integrated Pest Management, IPM. Remember, the key to successful pest and disease management is an integrated approach. Combine cultural practices, biological controls, and only use chemical controls when absolutely necessary. By following these tips, you can enjoy healthy and beautiful lily flowers all season long. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!